first doctor said he's suspecting glaucoma.
Okay, the first doctor said he's suspecting glaucoma.
Yes, sir.
The second one said what?
The second doctor said it's papidemia.
Eh?
Papidemia.
Patenia Hotel.
Papidemia. Papidemia. Papidemia.
Okay, pandemia.
Papidemia.
Patricidemia.
No, sir. Papidemia.
That is me, Papa Demion. This is unbelievable.
Dangerous.
How come? And the another one said another name.
Yes, the third hospital with BMH said it's optic neuritis.
Hey, shit. Opalun University.
Optic neuritis. Optic neuritis. Optic neuritis.
Office.
No, optic.
Topic.
Optic.